There this is the
Ebe bitakabireho omubiro gw'omugenzi gwayakirwa ha kishayi ekya Kisoro airstrip kandi gwaretwa enyonyi eya UPDF shahitano ezakasheshe.
Salam zamarahem heshmatwa.
Na bwanyuma omubiro gwe gwayakirwa nko kutwarwa mu maka g'omugenzi aho kanso yashitama.
Mazima aronaki akoze kitsamana.
Yes. So the arrangement will be sorted out, dear pheromoners, and then they will continue with the program of council. I am guided. I'm guided.
Sara Mateke otwira ryo mnyishengerokazi owa Kisoro kandi Minister w'ihanga ow'enshonga z'amahe n'abazirwanireho afire aha Rwamukaga orwa wike hwire.
She supported the women to go Bushenyi district for training in value addition, and it was still in progress to see women benefit from it. She had for long also funded International Women's Day celebration for Kisoro district, and which she preferred to be rotated into different constituencies, in addition to support the district women council in their activities.
The government is building stadia in different locations of the country, and we want you members of parliament, I wish the speaker was here, and convey this matter to her, that this matter is taken up seriously by the parliament, and allocation of funds to this effect is made by government, so that this stadium is seen to be existent and doing its business. That's when the name of Honorable Sarah Minisita Mateke will flourish, and we shall be enjoying the fruits of the stadium in memory of her.
Honorable Speaker and the House, we can all agree that it will be near impossible to have another read of Sarah Mateke caliber. However, because of her style of leadership and commitment to addressing local, regional, and national issues, many women, young and old, across the entire country have been inspired, encouraged, motivated to help build a district and a country we can all be proud of.
Aha nho kansara w'abantu abanyakinama Diana Nakato yashabira beka ya Mateke okuronda omuntu orazo mu bigere eby'omugenzi okumaririza emirimo ye yona.
We beg as a district that if the family can have a member who can assist us in this remaining 1 year to push.
Omugenzi Sara Mateke naija kuzikwa izoba rya nyenkyakare omu maka gabo agabugahe Nyakabingo yo kubanza egomborero ya Chahi omuri Kisoro. Gashakwa Job Namanya na Kate atuzarirwe omuri Kisoro.